So today in this video we shall factorize a square plus 12a plus 20. So first we factorize the number 20. So it is 2 times 10 mean 20, 2 times 5 mean 10, and 5 times 1 mean 5. So the number we have 2, 2, 5 and 1. So from these numbers we have to make the plus 12. So 5 times 2 mean 10, and this remaining 2. So 10 plus 2, 12. So it becomes a square plus 10a plus 2a plus 20. So 10a plus 2a means it is 12a. So now we find out the common in these both first expression and these both last expression. In the first these both the common is a. So remaining is a plus 10. And in these both the common here is plus 2. So remaining is a plus 2 times 10 mean 20. So now we again find out common in first expression and last expression. So common here is a plus 10. So a plus 10. Now the remaining is in first a, in last plus 2. So a plus 10 and a plus 2 are the required factors. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.